So it's a little bit in the evening right here. I'm trying to see how the lighting would be in this environment. I'm looking at the camera and it's kind of nice. I like it. So the other day I was on YouTube and I saw this channel called Hoovie's Garage. This guy has a bunch of different vehicles, like, he calls them hoopties, and he buys them for really low prices. They're kind of beat up sometimes. But that got me to think, because I saw his Lexus LX 470, aka Land Cruiser, aka off-road bat, and I was like, you know what? I kind of want one of those things, or anything that's an SUV kind of off-road kind of vehicle that I want to just put light bars on and stuff like that, put rock lights on and stuff like that. So if you guys have one and you're actually selling it, email me. I'll have my business email in the description section below. I kind of want it around the $2,000 to $3,000 range. So yeah, let me see what you guys got and let's get to this video. Hey guys, Gonkish here, making more videos again, and today guys we have a product. It's a very simple product, but yet is helpful for many people that don't have Bluetooth and want a simple Bluetooth device that can connect to their vehicle using the FM transmitter. So without further ado, let's get to it. I mean, here's the product right here. It's a very simple product. I just got it because I'm all about, compact, but yet gets the job done and at a low cost. So let's unbox this bad boy. Oh, already. So here's the actual device. Let me put it down to the side. Oh. And last but not least, here's some literature to, help you connect and stuff like that. Okay, so here's the actual device itself. Like I said, it's a very small form factor device. A lot of people that have Bluetooth transmitters and or any kind of Bluetooth device that, your vehicle does not come with Bluetooth, so you can't answer your phone and stuff like that. And a lot of people have like all this bulky kind of things that just look horrible and not compact. And I wanted something for you guys that's very compact, can't even notice it, but yet it gets the job done. It kind of looks just like a normal charger, but obviously there's a lot more to it. That's what I wanted. So it's really tiny. Obviously this is where you plug into the car charging port of your vehicle. Almost every vehicle has at least a car charging port, cigarette lighter, whatever you want to call it. And in this case you have 4 different functions up here. Okay, there's actually 4 different ways to connect to this bad boy to get music playing through your speakers. One of the biggest ways is obviously Bluetooth. So you connect it with the Bluetooth to this bad boy and then you're done. The next step is the USB port right here. You can put a actual USB in there, 32 gigabytes, whatever, and have music playing from the USB stick into your vehicle, via your radio using this device. It has an SD card slot right here. So basically you put your SD card in there and bam, you can play that. I've never actually seen that either. So that's pretty awesome. And it has a charging port 3.0 right here. Not a slow charger. That's a really fast charge, 3.0. So it's going to charge your device pretty fast so you don't lose functionality of that car charging port. And last but not least, it has a little nub like this, and now let me bring it really close to actually talk on the phone. So when you get a phone call, if you never had that functionality to use your phone, bam, as you can see, you can push it to answer the phone. Pretty awesome. So if you haven't had these kind of functions before in your vehicle, a lot of people ask me that all the time, like, hey, I don't have Bluetooth in my vehicle and I don't even have auxiliary in my vehicle. Now you have a way to get music through your speakers of your vehicle wirelessly. Let's go actually put this in my vehicle and let's see how it looks. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, I have the actual device right here. Let's go actually plug this bad boy in. Let me just put in a car charging port right there. I've already got it in and you're good to go. Every vehicle should have a car charging port, guys. Even like older models, they're called cigarette lighters back in the day, but they still work, and you can get your old vehicle that doesn't have Bluetooth and all this fancy stuff to get music through your speakers. Yes, there are a lot of products that do that. However, this is just a small little device that is out of the way. A lot of people like that, and that's why I also like that one. So next step, after you have it plugged in, let's go actually turn on the vehicle. Not on, I'm just gonna power it basically. Oh, look at that. Now that was a surprise, guys. On the actual pictures, I did not know that everything was gonna actually light up. Look at that. That's freaking cool. And the best part about it is also it tells you how much voltage is in your battery right there. So as you can see, it's a 12.7. That's pretty good because it is a 12-volt battery. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, look at all that lighting. Okay, so that was a pleasant surprise. I did not know that it's gonna look like that, but that's actually pretty cool. Okay, so next step is obviously connecting to Bluetooth. Then we're gonna use this bad boy here, C68, connect to it. So once you've connected to the phone, make sure you change the station to 87.5. So let's go all the way down to, there we go, 87.5 right here. And now let's actually play some music. So it's 87.5, let's hit that play button right here. Look, oh my gosh, look at that already. And just to prove to you that it's actually playing through here, I'm going to actually change the station right here, and you can see it changes to that, and I'm gonna change it back using the knob. Look at that, guys. That's awesome. And as you can see, I'm gonna put pause right here, and it's gonna stop the music on that. There we go. I paused it and it stopped, and let me hit play again. Look at that, guys. But this is actually coming straight from the radio, guys. That's awesome. And you can turn it up. And I gotta say, this is one of the, I'm gonna turn it all the way down, but I gotta say that this is definitely one of the better FM transmitters I've used, okay? A lot of times I've used SM transmitters. They kind of staticky, they don't work well, and you get to choose whatever, frequency you want. However, it never sounds great. That's the bottom line. It never ever sounds great. Okay, but in this case, it's at 87.5 and it sounds superb, guys. I'm not even kidding you. Look at the reviews also. Don't even take my word for it. Just go look at the reviews. That's one of the reasons why I got this, to be honest, because I'm going to use this for my friend's Mercedes. He has a Mercedes, and his Mercedes is an older model. It doesn't have Bluetooth, but he has obviously a radio, which most cars have radios, and a car charging port, aka cigarette lighter, whatever you want to call it, and this would be perfect for him. The thing is, I did get him another one, but he kind of didn't like it as much because of the fact that it was bulky and had a lot of wires and stuff, and it just looked kind of terrible. And this is like a clean, super nice, easy, and the quality is much better, guys. I was very surprised. Let me play that one more time. I know he will like this one because it's super clean and gets the job done. Another thing is that his phone is not actually an iPhone. It's an older model phone, so it doesn't carry a lot of music, and it's kind of slow and stuff. He would rather have an SD card that he can just put in there, or a USB stick that he can just put in there and play through the radio, but there was no device that could actually do that. Now this guy can actually do that for him, so he can actually put a SD card. I think in this case he wants to put a USB stick in there and play music through the USB stick. That is freaking awesome. Another thing about this simple device is that if you actually move up or down on the stick right here, it actually changes the songs. So I'm gonna actually push down right here, and it's gonna change it back. As you can see, it went back, it skipped back. Obviously you can have it go forward, whatever, but yeah, that's pretty awesome, guys. Now the last part is the fact that you can actually use this for your phone calls. My friend, he loved the other one I gave him, that he could actually finally talk through the speakers. However, he would have to have this phone always out of his pocket, okay? He had to have it like right here somewhere so that his voice could pick up on a microphone right here. That was horrible because he had his phone in his pocket most of the time, and fumbling through his pocket just to get his phone and stuff, it was inconvenient. And this is definitely a lot better because it actually has a microphone already built in. That is so awesome. So he can have his phone in his pocket, not even worry about his phone, don't worry about driving and using your phone or anything like that. If you get a phone call, you just hit that button, you push this talk button right here, and you're done. You can pick up your phone and phone call, everything like that. It's really, really awesome. It makes your entire car almost a little bit smarter with just a small tiny device like this. I am absolutely loving it. But yeah, let me pull this bad boy out, and I can't wait to give this to him because I know he will love it. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase this bad boy is gonna be in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. I'm actually gonna go there right now to give this to him because it's so awesome. He actually called me. He's not having a great day today, and he's my childhood friend, you know what I mean? And I want to go and just talk to him and also bring him a little gift that might actually make him a little bit happier. So I can't wait to actually give this to him today. So I'm actually going there right now. But yeah, links to purchase anything else is gonna be in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. Links to my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram are gonna be in the description section below. And one last thing I just want to say, I don't say this on every single video, I really appreciate everyone on this channel. If you're new here, I appreciate you even just watching all the way through. That's really, really awesome. That shows a lot, and I appreciate all of you guys that have actually watched all my videos and stuff like that. It's really, really something, guys. Makes my day every time I look at that. If you don't think you're making someone's day, trust me, you are. Now I'm gonna try to make my friend's day. But with that being said, there should be a subscribe button and also video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, keep your share saying thanks for watching and peace.